looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at this 2023 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, foot activated open and go liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7478.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.